Pomona Valley Hospital has been serving East Los Angeles for over 100 years. But 2020 brought an entirely new challenge with the urgent need for fever checks and masks. OneScreen GoSafe made it easy to meet changing safety standards and keep everyone healthy, the right solution at the right time. GoSafe assured that inside the hospital, people's temperatures were normal, masks were worn, and the results speak for themselves. An AI-enabled system for ever smarter insights, easily pre-qualify visitors based on customizable questions. The only temperature scanner made with Qualcomm technologies for faster, more reliable readings. Delighted with 5 GoSafe units, the hospital added 30 more. CEO Richard said protecting public health and safety is their top priority. Protecting 400 patients and 4,000 healthcare professionals at Pomona Valley, GoSafe is just what the doctors ordered. OneScreen, bringing you the technology that brings people together.